Here's the intro to Autodesk Inventor video. Start Inventor. We're going to open it up. Now, the first objective is to discover what CAD is. CAD is computer-aided design. It's software that lets you make 3D things. That would be Autodesk Inventor. There's a whole bunch of other ones, but this is what we will use. When you open up Autodesk Inventor, you're going to see this big screen. Basically, you can click here for new. You can either import stuff, but you're basically going to pick new part. We're going to make a part file. Pick a standard part file. The other one is really just a different material, and with the level that we're using this, it won't make a difference, but for our class, just pick standard. So, we're ready to draw. Now, the way that we make our objects, we're going to be using sketch tools. You'll find that in the ribbon up here, and here they give you a whole bunch of different options. Now, you got line, spline, all these things. Don't worry about these yet. Circles, center point, tangent. Okay. Arc, here we go. We got arc, tangent, center point. These are all different ways that you can draw things. At this point, we're just going to be playing around, so I'd like you to start off with a rectangle. So I want to just point out that all these different tools have suggestions on how to do it. You just have to put your mouse there and let it hover over. Here it says click a start and end points. Click a start and end point to define a line. So when I click it, I choose a plane, which is going to be a surface that you draw on. I'm going to pick something on the front. So right here, I'll just pick it. There's a start point. I set it up. I can change my angle. End point. I have a line. Circle, you would start from the center point. It goes out. Rectangle, you click, and it has two sides that you can do. If I don't want to actually create the shape, I press escape and it'll get out of it. If I want to be specific, which I recommend you get into the habit of doing, you'll see that the number above my mouse is highlighted blue. You can type that number. So if I want a rectangle that's 15 inches, and then I press tab on your keyboard, and then maybe 5 inches here, I pressed enter and it made that rectangle. To finish a sketch, all you have to do is click Finish Sketch. Boom. We're done. Now that we've finished the sketch, we're going to be able to use some of our 3D modeling tools. This is my last objective for today, getting you to use the Extrude tool. Okay, you can rotate it around and you'll see that it's still showing. Click Extrude. And here it's going to give you a bunch of things that pop up. Don't worry about it. Basically, it's saying it's going to go out 1 inch. Here, it gives you an output. You want solid because that'll give you volume to your shape. Direction 1, direction 2. You'll see how it changes on the shape. Symmetric means it goes ½ inch on each side. Asymmetric would mean that you could do like 3/4 of an inch and then 1/4 of an inch or something like that. But we're not going to do that. Instead, we just extrude. I'm going to pick direction 1. I'm going to make it 6 inches. Boom. I have a rectangle. You can repeat this process on any surface of the object. Just go to Start 2D Sketch. Pick the surface you want to draw on. And sketch and extrude. That's it. That's how you'll be able to make some more complicated looking objects. Happy CADing!